This is the youngest of the girl line. Oh, rainy. If you are a family member, if you are the father, you have a wife, mother, and you have a child, and the child have a connection of the stomach, the statue of the Catholic religion, the child, a baby, is the laying in the bed, have a box, barrier, and the statue have a sword and balance the father, but the statue at the word of at the fire is the mother of the child. But your past life before you become a father is crucified, and the Henry Testament in you are the original father is standing and no falling down. That is the word of the Catholic religion. Testament. That's the reason. At the surrounding, no thinking bad talking to the father. All that is disappearing. When the standing of the father level, the past is crucified in Henry. The mother, the wife is at the fire. The child as a baby laying at the bed, or the word of sleeping, because this is the trial. This is the word of the girl present. Because I complete male, female, both of my present. That's the reason I discovering the word of the demon is pure girl line. The word of the God is pure boy line. The word of the archangel is the pure universe line. The demon is the female. The God is the male. The archangel is the boot. Age. One body only. Is standing, sitting, and doing anywhere. Doing anyone to receive freedom. Oh, this is the people not knowing how to speak in English in iTuning. This is not the guitar. It's very simple. The word of the music industry. The wine is not affected to me because only I taste the wine, and then I answering the word of the taste of the wine.